Hi everyone, this is Georgetown Soaps and I am getting ready to make 5 batches of lavender soap. This is a custom order. It is for some wedding favors. And I'm just pouring in the lye water. I've already mixed in my kaolin clay and my colloidal oatmeal. It's just going to mix this in pretty well. The couple had their mother-in-law, the son's mother, had found me at my farmer's market. And I do several wedding soaps, shower soaps, and so I've got a little sign at my booth that says, custom wedding and shower favors. And so she asked me about it. So she bought some soaps, took them home to her son and daughter, soon-to-be daughter-in-law, and they contacted me a couple weeks later, and we got their order together. So I'm doing half rosemary fragranced and half lavender fragranced, and their colors are sage and denim blue. And so I am just doing the sage and denim blue with a white base, and I'm really excited because I loved how all of these batches turned out. And for me to do a lavender soap, I always do lavender in purple or white. So to do it in different colors, it was just I kind of had to stop and think about it for a minute. I'm like, wait, you can't do lavender in these colors, but the soap turned out fantastic. Like, I really love this color design, or the two color choices. I think it's just really, really pretty. And I'm going to try and figure out if I can incorporate it into another fragrance of mine and use those colors going forward for that. So for the colors, I'm using the emerald color from BeScented, and I'm mixing it up with a little bit of TD just to kind of tone it down a little bit so it's not so pine Christmas tree-ish. And then for the blue, I'm using the denim blue, and I've got to darken it up a little bit, so I'm going to throw some activated charcoal in. And I think it really does a nice job getting it to more of the navy blue that they had wanted. So super excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and mix the colors, and I will be back. Alright, so I have got everything mixed in. I've got my diamond mold from BeScented. It makes a 5-pound batch, so I am going to do 5 of these batches. And I thought about using my slab molds, but quite honestly, I just really like the diamond molds better. And it's not too much extra work to make the couple extra batches, so I just really wanted to use the diamond molds. I don't like lining the slab molds, and then you've got to use the slab cutter to cut it. So So for this, I just really wanted to, and to kind of control the color, I did want to do smaller batches for them. And I'm just going to do my typical chopstick swirl that I've kind of mastered at this point, just kind of randomly throwing the colors in. There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm putting the colors in. I mean, I do try and alternate them on purpose, you know, just so the green and the blue aren't on top of each other and throw a bunch of white in. But I'm going to go ahead and continue to do this, get all of my color out. You know me, I got to scrape every last bit out, and then I will do my little chopstick swirl, and I will be back for the cut.